My girlfriend is scared of horror movies. They make her paranoid. Which can be tricky when I'm watching her through her living room window. Ready to settle down for the evening, I put my headphones on. The whispering coming from them startled me. They were not plugged in.
What the hell?
I walked into my son's room. And saw him drawing on the walls again. As I got closer, I realized the drawings were of me sleeping, except for the last one, which showed me looking back at him through the mirror.
I have been noticing it for months now, that lag in my reflection. Not that anyone believed me. She didn't even attempt to mimic me. She just stood there smiling.
I think she wants to